Knowledge is power. So engaging parents to attend our parent sessions really brings the whole community together to empower them to have really meaningful conversations and equip their home with strategies that are going to create a supportive digital environment in the home.
Well, having 3 children is a challenge with digital technology now. Our son, who's 14, not so interested in social media. He's pretty good. 12-year-old daughter is another story altogether. She's recently been introduced to Instagram. It's really difficult trying to put the limitations on how much time she spends on the phone.
So what we talk about with young people is it's the things that we post that can make a really big picture about who we are.
Being part of the project tonight has been really helpful as a parent. It's given me a lot of ideas to go home with in terms of limiting screen time, which is a big problem in our house. It was really eye-opening to see a range of different apps and applications that my kids might be exposed to. There's a lot more out there than what I was aware of. We've come away with some really useful tips and it's been very helpful. I was really happy for my daughter to be involved today because they don't always listen to us as parents. So hearing it from an external person was fantastic and I think they'll take more away from it that way. It's not just mum nagging.